Hi students, this is Sivaprasad. Now I am explaining about Heisenberg uncertainty principle. According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, it is impossible to determine the exact position and exact momentum of an electron simultaneously and accurately. So it means it is not possible to determine the exact position and momentum of an electron simultaneously and accurately. So at a particular time, exactly at a particular time, we don't calculate the exact position and momentum or velocity of a revolving electron. So it means suppose an electron is revolving in an orbit. Suppose an electron is revolving in an orbit. So in this orbit, I am showing to you electron is present here. But whenever I am showing to you electron is present here, immediately its position and momentum will be changing. Because electron revolves around the nucleus in circular path. So these paths are called orbits. We know the point is previously we discussed in Bohr's theory. So according to Bohr's theory, electron revolves around the nucleus in circular path. So these circular paths are called orbits. See, according to Bohr's theory, here electron is there. So electron is revolving around the nucleus. So this path is known as orbit. Now electron is revolving around the nucleus. So here electron is revolving. Now I am showing to you electron is present here. But whenever I am showing the electron is present here, which is not constant because it is in the motion. The particle which is in the motion, we don't calculate exact position and momentum simultaneously and accurately. So particularly at a fixed point, we don't calculate exact position and momentum of the electron which is in the motion. So according to this theory expression given by delta x into delta p is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Delta x is uncertainty in the position. Delta p is uncertainty in the momentum. Now delta x is uncertainty in the position and delta p is uncertainty in the momentum. We know momentum p is equal to mass into velocity. That's why change in momentum delta p is equal to mass into change in velocity delta v. So substitute this value in this equation. Delta x into m delta v is equal to h by 4 pi. Now delta x into delta v is equal to h by 4 pi into m. This is the derivation formula for Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Delta x into delta v is equal to h by 4 pi m. Here delta v is uncertainty in velocity. Delta v is uncertainty in the velocity. Here in Heisenberg uncertainty principle, here two major conditions are there. Look at the first condition. If uncertainty in position value is 0, what about uncertainty in momentum? Look at now, uncertainty in the position value is 0. And it means delta x value is 0. What about delta p? Look at now, according to Heisenberg principle, this is the relation between uncertainty in its position and uncertainty in its momentum. So delta x into delta p is equal to h by 4 pi. Look at the same equation now. I am writing delta p is equal to h by 4 pi into delta x. Now what is our condition? If delta x value is 0, what about delta p? So uncertainty in its position value is 0. What about uncertainty in its momentum? Therefore delta p is equal to h by 4 pi into delta x. It is equal to h by 4 pi into 0. What about 4 pi into 0? It is 0. That's why h by 0. 1 by 0, 2 by 0, x by 0, h by 0, which is equal to infinity. It means uncertainty in its position value is 0, then uncertainty in its momentum is undefined or uncertain. Look at now, second condition. Uncertainty in its momentum value is 0. Suppose uncertainty in its momentum value delta p is equal to 0. What about uncertainty in its position? Same relation. Now delta x is equal to h by 4 pi into delta p. So instead of delta p, we should substitute 0. Now h by 4 pi into 0, which is h by 0 is infinity. So uncertainty in its momentum value is 0, then uncertainty in its position value is undefined. So which is infinity means it is undefined or uncertain. So by using this formula, we will calculate about uncertainty in its velocity also. Suppose uncertainty in its position value is 0, what about uncertainty in its velocity? Same here also, similarly, uncertainty in its position value is 0, uncertainty in its delta v is equal to h by 4 pi m delta x. So h is equal to h by 4 pi m into 0. It is equal to h by 0 and it reaches infinity. So uncertainty in its position value is 0, then uncertainty in its velocity value is also undefined, nothing but which is infinity. Similarly, if delta v is equal to 0, then delta x also undefined, which is infinity. You know students, here h is Planck's constant 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds, and here m is mass of the electron value 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kgs. You know already, previously we have discussed many times. Based on Heisenberg uncertainty principle, now I am explaining previous NEET questions. Look at first question. If uncertainty in position and momentum are equal, then uncertainty in velocity is. And for options also will be given. Look at now. According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta x into delta p is equal to h by 4 pi. We know delta x, uncertainty in its position is delta x, uncertainty in its momentum is delta p. Now delta x into m delta v is equal to h by 4 pi. According to our given question, if uncertainty in its position and momentum are equal, it means delta x is equal to delta p. We know delta p value is m delta v. So instead of delta x, we are writing m delta v. So instead of delta x, also we are writing m delta v. That's why m delta v into m delta v is equal to h by 4 pi. M delta v whole square is equal to h by 4 pi. Therefore, m into delta v is equal to square root of h by 4 pi. Therefore, delta v is equal to 1 by 2m into square root of h by pi. Finally, the position and momentum are equal, then uncertainty in its velocity delta v is equal to 1 by 2m into square root of h by pi. So option 4 is the correct answer. Look at now next previous problem. The measurement of the electron position is associated with an uncertainty in momentum which is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 8 grams centimeters per second. The uncertainty in electron velocity is, here mass of the electron value is given, that is 9.1 into 10 power minus 28 grams in Celsius units. According to this question, the electron position is associated with an uncertainty in its momentum. It means m delta v is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 18 grams centimeters per second. Now we have to calculate here delta v, uncertainty in its electron velocity. Delta v is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 18 by m. We know m is mass of the electron. Value will be given, that is 9.1 into 10 power minus 28. After solving these values, we will get 1.1 into 10 power 9 centimeters per second. Look at the next problem. A microscope using suitable photons is employed to locate an electron in an atom with a distance of 0.1 angstroms. What is the uncertainty involved in the measurement of its velocity? It means, look at, according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta x into m delta v is equal to h by 4 pi. Now, delta v is equal to h by 4 pi into m into delta x. According to given question, look at the data where h is Planck constant, its value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. We know 4 is constant value, pi is 3.14. M, mass of the electron value is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kgs. Delta x value is given, that is 0.1 angstroms. So 0.1 angstroms means which is equal to 0.1 into 10 power minus 10 meters. Now substitute all these values in the above equation. Delta V is equal to 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 by 4 into 3.14 into 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into 0.1 into 10 power minus 10, it is 10 power minus 11. After solving all these values, we will get 0.579 into 10 power 7. Yes, but most of the cases the answer should be expressed in single digits. So it is 5.79 into 10 power 6 meters per seconds. So this is the final answer. Look at next problem. A golf ball has a mass of 40 grams and a speed of 45 meters per second. If speed can be measured within an accuracy of 2%, calculate uncertainty in its position. So according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta V is equal to speed of accuracy, that is 2%. So 45 into 2 by 100. So change in velocity delta V is equal to actually 45. But if speed can be measured with an accuracy of 2%, it means so out of that 2% will be decreasing. That's why we will take 45 into 2 by 100. So which is equal to 90 by 100. It is 0.9 meters per second. According to de Broglie's wave theory, delta x into m delta v is equal to h by 4 pi. We know the given data. Here we have to calculate uncertainty in its position. We have to calculate delta x value. And mass of the particle value is 40 grams. So 40, it is in CGS units. So you should convert into MKS units. 40 into 10 power minus 3 kgs. H is Planck constant. 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. Pi value is 3.14. Substitute all the values in this equation. Now delta x is equal to h by 4 pi m into delta v. If we substitute all the values, 6.625 into 10 power minus 34, that is h value, 4 into pi 3.14, mass of the particle value 40 into 10 power minus 3 into delta v value 0.9. If we calculate this sum, we will get 1.46 into 10 power minus 33 meters. 1.46 into 10 power minus 33 meters. This is the final answer. Look at now next IIT problem. According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, the product of uncertainties in position and velocities for an electron of mass 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kgs is. Look at, in this problem what we have to calculate. The product of uncertainties in position and velocities. We have to calculate the product of uncertainties in its position and velocity. We know, according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta x into m delta v is equal to h by 4 pi. So the product of position and velocity, delta x into delta v is equal to h by 4 pi m. Substitute the values. Planck constant value h value is 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds by 4 into 3.14 into mass of the electron value 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kgs. So after solving all these values, we will get 5.79 into 10 power minus 5 meter square per seconds. So this is the product of position and velocity. Look at next previous IIT problem. In an atom, electron is moving with a speed of 600 meters per second with an accuracy of 0.005%. Certainty with which the position of the electron can be located is. Here Planck constant H value and mass of the electron value also will be given. Now look at, according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta x into m delta v is equal to h by 4 pi. Now we have to calculate which the position of the electron can be located. It means uncertainty in its position. Delta x is equal to h by 4 pi m into delta v. Here the speed 600 meters per second with an accuracy of 0.05%. It means delta v is equal to 600 into 0.005 by 100, which is equal to 0.03 meters per second. And we know the remaining values, pi 3.14, mass of the electron value will be given, Planck constant value also will be given. Substitute all the values in this equation. 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 by 4 into 3.14 into 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into 0.03. After solving all these values, we will get 1.93 into 10 power minus 3 meters. So after solving all these values, we will get 1.93 into 10 power minus 3 meters. So this is the uncertainty in its position, that is delta x value. So students, till now we have discussed about Heisenberg uncertainty principle and its conditions, and after that I have explained 4 NEET problems and 2 JEE mains problems. Thank you for listening this. And the students, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.